Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
What are we making today?
Today I am going to make a sweet.
Okay.
It's a white pumpkin. You tell in Tamil it is pushinika or white pumpkin.
Okay.
I am going to do an alwa in this.
Okay.
This may be called as pumpkin alwa, white or also kasi alwa.
Okay.
Now I am going to do this.
Okay.
You can see the ingredients of this.
Sure.
I have taken 1 kg I have bought of this white pumpkin.
Okay.
Nicely grated.
This is also ashgard, is it?
No, ashgard is different.
Different. Okay, fine.
This is white pumpkin.
Okay, white
For
pumpkin.
ammas and all, they will put this tea.
Yes. Okay,
This
fine.
palva will be very tasty. But 1 kg or 2 kgs you take, you will get only this much. Very little bit.
Okay, fine.
Very little. I have taken 1 kg of white pumpkin, grated it, nicely filtered in a white cloth.
Okay.
And I got this much water.
Oh, okay.
We should not waste this water. So we can use with this water itself, we can make the
Okay.
1 tumbler. So what we have to do is, we should not take the full pumpkin measurement.
Okay.
After grating it and filtering, I have got 250 grams of white pumpkin, grated pumpkin. According to that only we have to take sugar.
Okay.
250 grams pumpkin means 250 grams sugar.
Oh, okay.
And this ghee also same 250 grams.
Oh, so
If
this
you
is
want, you can
ghee.
put more ghee. That is a ghee,
Okay.
homemade ghee. And this water.
Okay.
And as usual, cardamom powder, cashewnut. For this, if you put kunkuma poov, what is in English? Kunkuma poov we will call in that. And little this pacha karpuram.
This is kesar.
Kesari. This is kesari powder.
This is powder,
Powder,
but in this is kesar we put in milk also. And
Oh
we give,
yeah, for milk,
yes.
for children, for pregnant ladies.
Yes, correct.
That is.
Correct.
And little pacha karpuram. That we'll put for chakra pongal and temples we'll have this smell.
That eating shampoo.
And when we are making, I forgot to give them 1 pinch of salt.
Salt.
Always, whatever sweet you make, we put just a pinch of salt. The
Okay.
sugar taste shoot up.
Okay, fine.
So now we'll start doing it.
Okay,
First
let's
you
start.
take this water.
Okay.
We have to you boil this water. Okay, and then take this pumpkin and fry it in that raw with pouring little ghee, 1 spoon of ghee. Fry little, just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Before that, it will also get boiled.
Okay,
Now
let's
we'll
start to
boil
do
this
it.
and fry.
Okay.
We'll start. I'll make all sweets inside. As usual, my sweet bowl is ready. I'll make all sweets only in this. Because it's very thick, no? It won't get stick to the... Now, little, 1 spoon. You can pour ghee and add this white pumpkin.
Okay.
Meanwhile, we'll pour this and let it get just 2 minutes to boil. Till this gets fried.
Okay.
Simultaneously, both must. Then only that one sticky thing won't be available.
Okay.
Now, we'll fry. For the
This
raw
is
smell,
getting boiled.
This we are frying. Why I am frying it is, the raw smell will go a little and it will get cooked also soon.
Okay.
Now let it fry for 2 minutes. Water got boiled nicely.
Okay.
Now this also got fried. Now put it in same. Now let it cook for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Now let this cook for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. This will get cooked soon because already we have grated it now. Pumpkin will get cooked soon.
Okay.
Now all the water it has absorbed. It has got cooked to 95%. Now we can put the sugar.
Okay.
I told now same 250 grams this one. Now I put the sugar. You can put ghee afterwards.
Okay.
Now let both the sugar, pumpkin, that water, everything after getting mixed, we'll pour little ghee.
Okay.
See the color itself is changing. See how the color before it was. See the glazy color is coming. Can you see?
Correct. The
Glazy
sugar is
color.
getting melted now.
Melted, no. So the glazy color, Alwa's color.
Correct. So we should wait for 10 minutes?
How nice it is. Can you see? Because it's just the kesari powder, no, the color.
It's looking nice.
See.
Super. So
Now
we
we'll
put
put the ghee. Half tumbler first you put.
Okay.
You may think, how much ghee it is for. Certain Alwa means ghee only. The ghee only it will be a taste. 1 pinch of salt. I told you, for any sweet, you have to put pinch of salt. Then we'll put this
Cardamom powder.
Then this is, I told you, kunkuma poov.
Okay.
Just little if you have. If you have, it will be nice. Now this pacha karpuram, I told you, this for chakra pongal. This will give a temple taste. Temple prasad
Flavor
taste.
is that.
Flavor in that. And with just a little of kesari powder, color. If you want.
Okay.
Little color. Not much also you need. No? Get cooked in 5 minutes. It will get cooked. If you do slowly, it will get in 10 minutes. If you want, we can put it high also and be going on stirring it.
Okay.
See the color. Nice. Add the carrot. Now little remaining, I told no 1 tumbler. Same 250 grams. See? After 10 minutes, see all that glazery color will come. Glazery.
Once it cooks and come up.
After 10 minutes, we'll see.
Okay. So we are frying the cashews here in the side.
On the side, they are frying the cashews. You can fry the cashews. Golden brown color.
Okay.
What I will do now, as usual, you know, when we are serving only, I will put cashewnut ghee in. Then everyone will get, I told you. If you mix in this, no, it will go one side to one person only. We have to search for various cashews for everyone. Better for just your namesake, put 2. Then keep it aside whenever you are serving, pour ghee and cashews. Lemon, 1 drop of lemon. Why means? If you after it gets cooled down, if you keep it for 1 or 2 days also, you keep this in the fridge. That layer of sugar will come on the top.
Ah, yes.
Like
yes.
correct. So for that, if you put this lemon, even for syrup also, no, for sugar syrup now we'll pour little lemon. Why means that layer must not come.
Okay.
For that, not much. Don't put much. Just 1 or 2 drops. That's all.
Okay.
I pour now. Now see how the color is coming. See.
Yes, it's almost ready.
Ready, almost ready. Just in 2 minutes it will be ready. But it will take actually 10 to 15 minutes because the sugar, the pumpkin, the water, ghee, everything must be cooked now. And meanwhile, see the cashews are ready here. Cashews are ready. When nice brown color it has come.
Yes.
Nicely it has come.
Yes, like a proper halwa.
Proper halwa.
It's leaving
see
the pan.
All the ghee is coming out. See, leaving the ghee. Can you see? See.
Yes.
Oh, this is the proper halwa. After you keep it cool down, you can eat it. Be very nice. At this time, we'll put the cashews.
Okay.
I'm putting all the cashews. As I told you, you can serve it afterwards also.
Okay.
Now we can switch off. Now we can switch off the stove.
Okay.
See, can you see all the ghee has come out?
Yes, it's very clearly seen.
See, I want to show you. See how nice it
looks yummy.
What the color it was? Kushika halwa or kasi halwa is
ready. Shall we serve and so?
Yeah. Just
this looks really yummy. It's
watering. Gassy halwa is ready.
Really, it looks really delicious.
Just half an hour it took.
Really, yes.
1 kg, we'll get this much. We can't expect 1 kg pumpkin, 1 kg halwa.
It's come down to less than half.
Yeah. Because it is grated, no. Just all the water, everything is squeezed, no. Everything will come to only just 250 grams of pumpkin. For 1 kg, we'll get only 250 grams.
Okay.
But it will be tasty. But you need ghee, everything.
Okay, correct.
You may feel, oh, this much ghee. Yes, whenever you can do yearly once or twice.
Little, yes.
But tasty. So, all of you do for in all the functions also, Gogi is going to come. So, you can make like this.
Sure.
For all your birthday, something. You can do this.
Okay, thank you for sharing this recipe with us.
We will see in another recipe.